Hello and welcome to this checkmate in 3 chess puzzle. See that black just has the king trapped on the side and 3 pawns and the knight. White has the king, a pair of knights, bishop, pawn and the rook. White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 3? Moving the king to g3 only gets you a checkmate in 4, not 3. Black can move in the knight, which can be taken by the pawn. Black can then push their pawn. You can then do a reveal check with the rook. King only has 1 square. And then you can move in with a mate in 4 with the knight. Moving the rook to c8 is another checkmate in 4 but not 3. Black can move the knight to c5, which you can then take with the rook. Black can then try and advance a pawn, but you can take it with the king. The black king can't move, so it advances the other pawn. Then you can mate in 4 with the knight. Moving the bishop to g7 to do a reveal check is only a checkmate in 5. Black can take the pawn, but then you can move your king up. I can then advance the other pawn and you can move in with the knight. King can't move. Is forced to move the other knight. You can do a waiting move with the rook. And after the knight moves again, you can checkmate with your knight. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. Checkmate in 3 for white. You need to move the rook to a8. Black does something like push a pawn. You can then just move the rook to a1. Black can maybe push another pawn. Then you can just checkmate in 3 by moving the rook to h1. So you've gone all the way around the board to get the mate in 3. If after moving the rook to a8, black tries something different like moving a knight, you can still do exactly the same thing. And black can either move the knight or even try and move the king, but you can ultimately go into rook h1, checkmate in 3. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.